Hello, everybody. Thank you for checking out Mrs. Smalls Tries It All, the channel where Mrs. Smalls tries a little bit of everything and shares with you how it's done or how not to do it. So today I'm coming with something slightly different. As you can see on my table here, I got a lot of avocados. I am in a bit of a pickle. I need these avocados ripened by early Friday morning, the latest tomorrow evening. That would be the best possible way to, that would be the best possible time. Okay. I got a lot of guac to make. So Monday, it was our wonderful idea. Like, hey, if we get avocados on Monday, then by Thursday, maybe sit them in the sun or something like that, we could have them softened, ripened to the right consistency, and we'll be able to do what we need to do. All right, so now it's Wednesday, and these chumpies are still pretty hard. So here I go. I got a couple soft, like this one's nice. Maybe in 2 days it'll be ready if I keep it, doing the same thing I was doing. I don't know. But what I decided to do, I was thinking there has to be a way to fasten up this ripening process. Okay. So what I found was bananas and apples, thick cardboard paper bag. All right. Put that in a box together. It should get, and put it in front of some heat. It should get my avocados ripened in a day or two. All right. Now, why in the heck does this work? I had to get on here and share this. If you know, that's great. I wish you shared this with me before, especially if you knew me. But if you don't, this is something new for you to learn too. I'm really amazed. So I want to try this out and actually see if it works. I guess in a sense to kind of debunk it or whatever the term is nowadays. People come up with stuff. I want to see if it's really going to work. Hopefully it does. Now, the thing is, the reason why bananas and apples work is because they give off something called ethylene. Ethylene gas is the hormone or gas, if you will, that ripens fruits. Okay. So that gas ripens any fruit. And I don't know if you noticed, I never really paid attention, but when you have a banana next to fruit, like if you have a fruit bowl and you got your bananas next to fruit, it'll help speed up the ripening process. You're wondering why your bananas are going bad, or why your, oranges or apples are going bad sitting next to your bananas, and why your, plums might be going bad faster sitting next to your apples. And it's basically because of the ethylene gas that the bananas and or apples give off. So now the trick is you put the avocados in a box. The box helps trap the ethylene gas. I'm sure it probably got its own ethylene rolling up in it itself. Put the avocados in a box. Put the bananas in the box. I'm going to add apples because, like I said, I need for this to happen fast. Throw that up in a box. I'm going to tape up the box and I'm going to sit it by some heat. Apparently, the heat is supposed to help make it move fast. We're going to see if this really works. I will check back in a day and share my results. All right. So we'll see. Thank you. Click like and share. Also, if you already knew this or you got a faster way to help it, ripen up, that'll work too. Oh, one other thing. As I said this, I just remembered in a sense, even though it's not a natural way, I prefer natural. The natural way of speeding, ripening the fruit. But if you really have no time and you need it for like dinner, I saw a microwave. You can put it in a microwave for like 2 minutes. Cut it in half, wrap it in saran wrap or put it in plastic and put it in a microwave for a few minutes, and then that'll ripen it up as well. They also said the oven, but in order to do the oven, they said it can't be bright green. It has to be on the darker side, so more like this in order for that oven thing to work. I can't test that just yet. I need a certain flavor. I need a certain consistency. I don't have time to mess it up. But hopefully this works. So I'll check back with you guys tomorrow and we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully this works for us.